What's up, West Coast Swing fans? In this video, we're gonna do, I don't know why I wanna do this, it's a tango position, but the video is titled the Stalking Whip. It's a good whip variation, and recently Megan and I did a video entitled 11 Whips You Need to Know for West Coast Swing. They have a bunch of different variations, so make sure to stay to the end of the video to see that. And if you like this position here and you ballroom dance, you should check out Social Dance Online because we do all of the other dance styles on our Social Dance Online channel. But let's do the Stalking Whip, and we'll see you on the other side. So the Stalking Whip is this: 1, 2, 3, and 4 of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, because you're kind of stalking the follower back. Easy stuff to do. This is a great variation when you want to break up the monotony. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, instead of in the slot for 6, I leave her in the slot. I stay outside the slot for 6. 7, 8, now I can be back in 9 and 10. This works really well if you want to meander your spot in the dance floor. Like for instance, Megan keeps meandering this way, and so I want to go back that way. I can go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8, as many steps and an anchor step as I want. 2-beat increments to stalk your partner to the appropriate spot on the floor. All right, as promised, here is the video for 11 whips you need to know for West Coast Swing, but maybe cooler if you're serious about West Coast Swing. I've got a free gift. It is our pattern tree chart. It will show you how all the patterns that we teach relate back to the basic push, pass, and whip. So in this case, we're talking whips. So you'll be able to see the basic whip, whip with an inside turn, and so on and so forth to the coolest whips you know. You can download it here for free. We'll see you on the other side.